What if I told you the difference between these two cruise cabins could completely change your vacation? One costs just a few $100s, and the other, a jaw-dropping $5,000. Today we're going inside Celebrity Xcel, the newest and most advanced cruise ship in the world, to reveal what you really get for your money, from the smallest inside room to the most luxurious suite at sea. Stay with me till the end, because what I found inside the $5,000 suite might actually surprise you. Welcome back to Sales Secrets, your destination for cruise reviews, hidden tips, and insider comparisons. If you love exploring the world's most luxurious ships, or you're planning your very first cruise, make sure you hit that subscribe button because here, we reveal what cruise lines don't want you to know. Before we step inside the cabins, let's set the stage. Celebrity Xcel isn't just another cruise ship, it's the fifth in Celebrity's award-winning Edge series, and it's redefining modern luxury at sea. With cutting-edge technology, floating platforms like the Magic Carpet, rooftop gardens, and next-generation infinity pools, Xcel is being called the ship changing everything. But how much of that futuristic promise can you actually feel in your cabin? That's what we're about to find out. Let's start small. The inside stateroom. This is the most affordable cabin on Celebrity Xcel, and prices usually start around $1,000 to $1,200 per person for a week-long sailing. When you first walk in, the space feels cozy, about 180 square feet. No windows, no balcony, just smart lighting and a large mirror that helps the room feel a little bigger. So, you get a queen-size bed that can split into two twins, a small desk, some wardrobe space, and, honestly, a surprisingly modern bathroom with glass doors and a rainfall shower. The TV is actually pretty large, the lighting is adjustable, and the overall design is minimal yet sleek. Very Celebrity style. But here's the truth. After a few days, you really start feeling the absence of natural light. You wake up and, well, you don't know if it's day or night. That's the biggest downside of an inside room. It's practical, but not exactly inspiring. Still, if you're the kind of traveler who spends most of the time exploring the ship, enjoying the pools, the restaurants, the entertainment, an inside room gives you everything you need at the lowest cost. And, hey, the money you save, you can use it for shore excursions, drinks, or specialty dining. But now, let's flip the script. What does 5 times that price get you? Stepping into a Celebrity Xcel suite feels like entering another world, one that most passengers never get to see. The $5,000 price tag isn't just for extra square footage, it's for an entirely different lifestyle on board. First impression: space. The suite stretches over 400 to 600 square feet, depending on the category. And some are even larger with those wraparound verandas. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the room with natural light, and your private balcony becomes your personal front row seat to the ocean. Inside, everything feels handcrafted. Premium bedding, designer furniture, and tech-controlled lights and curtains. You're not just on a ship, you're in a floating boutique hotel. But the real magic of the $5,000 suite isn't the room itself, it's the privileges that come with it. As a suite guest, you're part of the retreat, an exclusive world within the ship. You get a private lounge, a personal concierge, priority boarding, exclusive dining at Luminé Restaurant, and even a private pool deck away from the crowds. Every detail is designed to make you feel like a VIP. Your butler can arrange dinner reservations, excursions, even unpack your suitcase if you'd like. It's not just luxury, it's peace of mind. Everything's handled for you. Let's talk food, because honestly, Food is where suite life really shines, while inside cabin guests enjoy celebrities' main dining rooms and buffets, which by the way are already excellent. Suite guests dine at Lumini, where every dish is curated by Michelin star chefs. Think lobster risotto, truffle, pasta, fine wines, all included, and you never have to wait for a table. Imagine sipping morning coffee on your private balcony while the Caribbean sunrise paints the sky, or taking a bubble bath with a panoramic ocean view. Yes, some suites actually have that. It's that emotional connection, the sense of space, light, and freedom, that makes the $5,000 suite worth considering for those once-in-a-lifetime trips. So, let's put them side by side. The inside room versus the $5,000 suite. Now, when it comes to space, the inside room offers you about 180 square feet, while the suite gives you a generous 400 to 600 square feet. Moving on to the view, the inside room has none, but the suite offers an ocean view plus a balcony. Dining options? Well, the inside room provides access to the buffet and main dining, whereas the suite includes a private restaurant experience at Lumini. As for amenities, the inside room is basic, but the suite comes with a butler, concierge, and a private deck. Finally, the overall experience, the inside room is budget-friendly and cozy, while the suite is all about VIP treatment, exclusivity, and being stress-free. The inside room gets you on board the same beautiful ship, but the suite truly transforms your experience. It's the difference between going on a cruise and living a luxury dream at sea. Now, the question every cruiser asks, is it really worth paying $5,000 for a suite? Here's my honest take. If you're a first-time cruiser, start with an inside or ocean view cabin. You'll still enjoy the ship's shows, pools, and destinations. But if you're celebrating something special, a honeymoon, anniversary, or milestone, the suite gives you memories that money can buy. It's not about luxury for the sake of it, it's about time. The suite buys you time, no lines, no stress, and no limits on comfort. And remember, prices fluctuate. You can sometimes score suite upgrades during sales or last-minute offers for less than you'd think. A few sales secrets to get the most out of your cabin choice. Book early, because suites sell fast, especially on new ships like Xcel. Use a travel agent. They can often add onboard credit or perks. If you're in an inside room, pack a mini LED clock or sunrise lamp.
Heidsville. Dewey Dames was done the meismem there. Do RG are there. Ardian Damer for suite guests, don't skip the exclusive events Brander. The retreat guests often get early tender access and private sail-away parties, and always compare itineraries, since sometimes the same suite costs less on a different sailing week. So whether you choose the humble inside room or go all in with the $5,000 suite, what matters most is how you experience the journey, the sunsets, the laughter, the people you meet. Those are the true luxuries of cruising. But tell me in the comments, which one would you choose? The cozy inside room or the all-out suite life? If you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Sales Secrets, and hit the bell icon, because next week, we're uncovering hidden fees cruise lines don't want you to know. Until then, smooth seas, smart travels, and remember, Sales Secrets never keeps the best secrets hidden.